tell them all the time. I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time.
All right, hey guys, hey, okay, we here at Straightway Praise Land, and we have, I guess you call it community work or service work, and today we are laying down mulch.
I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time. That's how I keep a travel mind. I tell them all the time. I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time. That's how I keep a travel mind.
I got my brothers here who lives on community. We got brothers who live outside of community. They all come in here. We got my brother Tyler right there. He's a expert in cutting down trees. So we had a lot of trees that fell down during the storm. So see, look at your talents will make room for you. But look how much money I'm saving by having brothers and sisters. Sisters making sure we got our water. They're making sure we're taken care of. The sister are in their roles, the men are in their roles. I remember trying to do this with my family. It took me all day, but now I got 7 men, Hebrew men. We're gonna get this thing down. So then we got brother Ryan here. He got Shalom. He got the barrel, the wheelbarrow. So he's gonna put it in there, and then we take it all the way to the other end of the property. And so that from there we're gonna be able to. They just dump it. So everybody got their role, and so we're gonna get this thing done. It's not like living on a farm or with animals, but we're starting. This is a good start. Learning to work together, knowing who you labor among. So we got people here. Gracie, say hi. Gracie, say shalom. There go Gracie. She was a rescue dog, and now she's learning to just be around the saints and not feel like she has to run around. All right, we got Brother Dion here. We got Brother Jordan. Say hey, brother. Hello. Brother Dion. We got Brother Jordan here. Right there, and they're working. So look, we're laying all, look at, I mean, guys, man, we are moving fast. We even got the children involved. Look at this. We got children involved. They got their gloves. Show me your gloves. Look at, they're working. They're seeing how we work around here. So anyway, this is just the benefit of doing community, keeping the money in Israel. Keeping that money in Israel. This would have cost me thousands of dollars to have a professional company come out here and do this stuff. So anyway, I got to get back to work. I like to work. You guys heard Brother David pull me off the work site here to do a video. So that's part of being a community head. I got to continue getting the word out, encouraging the saints out there. So, hey, we don't have cows, chicken, turkeys, or things of that nature, but we got to start somewhere. But we have a lot of trees. And so, anyway, we're going to get to work. Shalom, shalom.
All the time. I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time. That's how I keep a travel mind. I tell them all the time. I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time. That's how I keep a travel mind.
All right, hey, we got some work done here. You can kind of see here, the mulch over there has gone down. The guys are working hard. I'm gonna show you what we have done so far. I mean, this is not your typical front yard, so there's a lot of mulch here. You even got some little ones here trying to work here. Look at that, you got little DeAndre. Okay, DeAndre, be careful. You see DeAndre, the children trying to do the detail work. We got all of this work down, guys. Look at this. Doesn't that look nice? It's windy, so a lot of good stuff here, guys. You can see the mulch work that had to be done here. Let me show you guys here. These guys did a good job. We had 100% participation in Christianity. I don't know if I would have gotten that, but anyway. But look at, you see that? So there's nothing wrong with having things beautiful here, I guess. Try and be faithful. Treat it like it's Yah's house. Look at that. We got some work here that we still got to get done. But we're almost done. I mean, we got this thing done in 2.5 hours already, just working, or less than 2.5 hours already. But it's good to have some help. But they say many hands make light work. All right. I hope you guys are seeing our journey. We're just getting some work done. It's good. It's bonding time. We had a great Shabbat. Just use that time to fellowship, to really just talk about some deep stuff, do some deliverance, getting to know one another. Now we get to work. And labor among our brothers. All right, talk to you guys later. Shalom, shalom.
Tell them all the time, I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time. That's how I keep a troubled mind. I tell them all the time, I lay it all up on the line. I think about them every time. That's how I keep a troubled mind.
What you gonna do, brother? What you gonna do?
I tell them all the time, I lay it